Alright, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to each and every one here. We are presenting live from the Volvo CE Peenya plant in Bangalore, and we have gathered to witness the launch of the first ever excavator from SDLG India. That sounds exciting, right? Come on people, join your hands together. We are here at the start of the event, okay? And ladies and gentlemen, let me give you much more information. Ladies and gentlemen, before we start off, I request y'all, please come a little closer, maintain distance. Distance is very important now, regarding the COVID. Yes, come a little closer. Let's have a straight line, and let's have some distance here. Everyone, come forward. People who are behind, we can't see you. You can get a little closer, so that there's enough place for people who are going to join in later with us. All right, all set? All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. A very warm welcome once again. We are presenting live from the Volvo CE Peenya plant in Bangalore, and we have gathered to witness the launch of the first ever excavators from SDLG India. And SDLG was founded in 1972 and has been part of the Volvo Group since 2006. Promising reliability in action worldwide. Present in India since 2009, SDLG machine and services maximize productivity and reduces productivity cost for optimum customer value. We have gathered here as SDLG takes the next step in its association with India, and we are proud to introduce SDLG excavators for the first time in India. Ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to call upon Mr. Surat Mehta, who's the head of SDLG business in India, and Mr. Chandrasekhar, who's the head of marketing to...
Sir. Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, sir. How is it today? I'm sure it's a big day for us today, yeah?
It's a proud moment for all of us.
All right.
Yeah. So while the mic is getting ready, you can start decide.
Yes, so we have the first question. I'll give. What's next for SDLG business, say in 2021?
So Said, with SDLG products, we have been serving Indian construction equipment industry for past 1 decade. And we have an active population of more than 2,000 machines owned by our satisfied customers. And they range across the country. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, we have our machines planted and our 2 motor graders. Today is a proud moment when we are expanding our footprints and expanding the range and bringing our excavator range to India, starting with a 13-ton excavator, which we are going to launch here. As an organization, we stay committed to serve our customers to the best of our capacities. Thank you.
Wonderful, sir. Thank you. And going on to Mr. Chandra, equipment industry. What are your future plans for the brand SDLG, sir?
Yeah, you're right, Syed. SDLG has been nurtured for over a decade now and made itself a good name in the industry. And going with the commitment, we are very much committed to Indian market, Indian infrastructure sector, and we are going to strengthen this brand further. And this is the testimony for that. So we are launching now today the excavators. So as you know that, we have 19 dealers across India and who have several hundred branches all around. And all over forward, you will see and hear a lot about SDLG brand. Yeah.
Thank you, gentlemen. That was much. And I just heard that the number 2,000, right? That's a really good number. So ladies and gentlemen, now moving on. I would like to call upon Mr. Dimitrov Krishnan, who's the head of Volvo. So we have DK sir here. The construction industry has been moving back to normalcy gradually. How do you view the next few months? And what about the Volvo CE India's performance post-pandemic? So this is the question for you.
I would like to remind everyone who's attending here as well as who's watching us online to remain vigilant with COVID. COVID is here with us and we have to learn and to live with it. I would like to urge everybody to follow the key precautions. Firstly, wearing a mask, washing hands and sanitizing as frequently as we can. I think it's very, very important that as a society, we have to fight this pandemic together. And let's make sure that we are making every effort possible to be ready to handle this crisis and manage the disease. The equipment industry saw its peak in the year 2018. And 19, we saw it was a tough year. It was a year where we had general elections and the market was slowing down, and it slowed down about 20%. The year 2020 started off very strongly with the January and February. COVID arrived at the scene, and in March, and since March, due to the lockdown, the industry has been affected very, very heavily. So April, May and June went off with managing the challenge of COVID. But since July, we have started to see early green shoots, and I can see. So I very strongly believe this is due to the fact that the government of India has been trying to speed up activity, particularly in road construction, and also to speed up the implementation of the national infrastructure pipeline, and hence kickstart the economy. So the industry is coming back very, very strongly in nutshell, and we expect a very strong 2 years ahead of us in 2021 and 22.
So there's a very good collaboration between the two, the Volvo and the SDLG. So can you speak a few words about that, sir?
Incidentally, it's the year I was born. SDLG was born as well. And SDLG has been in existence almost 50 years now. And globally, SDLG is selling close to 50,000 units a year. 50,000 is not a small number in this industry. And that's really the strength of this brand, that we are very, very strong globally. In India, we launched the product in the motor. And in year 2020, we are here to launch the SDLG excavators. For Volvo as a company, Volvo Construction Equipment, we believe that excavator is the product category which will grow the maximum globally as well as in India. In another product category, wheel loaders, Volvo and SDLG put together, we are the market leaders globally with over 20 products of excavator as well. So today we launched the first excavator of 13-ton class, which is very, very timely, particularly when we are accelerating road construction in India. 13-ton class machine is very important for that. And I would also like to say that in India, the Volvo and the SDLG brand put together, the entire product lineup that we offer is the best product lineup that any customer can choose from for his entire needs when it comes to infrastructure and road construction activity. So I'm very proud today that we are here to...
More successful years for Volvo and SDLG partnership here.
Thanks.
So ladies and gentlemen, may I now invite the senior members from the team, Mr. Dharmendra Pandey from the Peenya plant, Indu Shekhar, who's the head of operation development, Deepak Joshi, who's the head of technology, Jaydeep, who's the head of purchase. And ladies and gentlemen, may I request everyone to be ready. Please join your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Now is the main exciting moment which we're waiting, the most awaited launch of the year with SDLG. We have the brand new SDLG E. Join your hands together. This is the first time you are witnessing this brand new SDLG E6135Fi, which is a 13-ton loader. Come on people, louder, make some noise. Yes, we have this brand new machine which you guys have witnessed for the first time here. E6135Fi, which is the 13-ton loader. And ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to unveil the brochures here. Gentlemen, here we have. Come on, people, join your hands together because you are going to witness the brochure also for the first time with this brand new excavator here. Very well. Closer. Yes.
Come closer. Without mask, you want? Come closer, sir.
Yes,
Come
because
closer.
we can't see everyone. Yes, without the mask. And let's have a little bit of distance here. No problem. And everyone who's joining us, please do maintain social distance. Yes, people, join your hands together. Here we have the first brochures here, which is just unveiled. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. TK, sir, I request you, please stay back. Yes, DK sir, I do have a few more questions for you going on. So, Volvo, CE and SDLG are both strong brands. How are you going to balance them in India here?
So, as I mentioned earlier, when you asked me the question about Volvo and SDLG relationship, the product lineup that we offer between the two brands is very complementary. And for example, we have the, in the Volvo brand of excavators, we have the 14-ton up to the 95-ton excavator. And we have now launched the 13-ton SDLG excavator. So we believe that it will be very complementary. Our entire product lineup when it comes to the wheel loaders as well as motor graders is complementary to the products that we offer in Volvo when it comes to compaction products or paving products and the larger excavators. So for any contractor who is, let's say, making a road, he can use a Volvo excavator or an SDLG excavator to move the soil, and he can use a motor grader, SDLG motor grader to grade it. He can use a Volvo SDLG loader to carry the aggregates. He can use a Volvo compactor to lay the soil and compact the soil, and similarly the other products like compactors as well as pavers to lay the road. So we have a product range that is very complementary, and we believe very strongly that we support the customers equally for both brands, and we distribute it through the same distribution channel of 19 dealers, more than 130 different locations, and more than 600-700 technicians trained worldwide around the country. So that's how we would be balancing that, and I'm sure that our customers will experience the fantastic support that we'll offer with these product range.
Fantastic, so very well planned here, very well planned. So moving on, put together, this seems to be a large product range, right? Yeah. Can you comment on the preparedness of the Indian market with respect to the new excavators?
For support, maybe we should invite Arun, who is our aftermarket head, to this question. Maybe.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, may I request Mr. Arun Pillai, who's the head of aftermarket. Please join your hands together, who's going to share much more information now.
Thank you, sir. First of all, super excited to see the product, the first SDLG excavator from India. And I know you're waiting for the technicalities of the product, and we will soon have a walk around of the product to explain the features. On your question with respect to the support, we have 19 dealers with close to 130 touch points, and I can assure you that we are fully prepared to support these products. SDLG is part of a Volvo group company, and we are well known to have the right infrastructure, competence to manage the customers' expectations on the uptime, productivity and reliability of the machines. We are close to about 700 well-trained technicians across the country. We have a 24/7 customer support center which is there to meet all the requirements of the customer. And most importantly, we are very proud that we have a parts availability of close to 95%, which is one of the best in the industry, coming out of our Bangalore warehouse. So in summary, we have the right infrastructure, the resources and the competence to meet all the challenging need of our customers.
I would just add to what Arun has just said by saying that not only do we provide the capability, now we are also offering the comprehensive support packages like extended warranties, service contracts.
Information, sir. Thank you, DK, sir. Thank you, Arun. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, now I'd like to call upon Mr. Satya, who's the product support team. So if you want to know much more about this particular machine, he and his team is here, who's going to give you much more information, which even I don't know. So, how are you doing, sir?
Good, Syed.
Oh, good, sir, good.
Yeah, it's a great opportunity.
Sir,
Sorry.
yes. So, Satya sir is here, and his team is also going to be here soon.
Yeah, speak about the product with me. Welcome, Deepak.
Hi, thanks Satya, thanks for inviting me. Yes, Satya, this machine really looks robust and great. And then if you see at boom and arm, it looks bigger actually. So can you please tell me what's the dimensions of this boom and arm?
The boom and arm combination is 4.2 meters with 2.3 meters. And we have a total reach of about 7.8 meters for the combination. And it is a rugged machine. You can see the reinforcements for the arm so that it can handle heavy duty applications.
Yeah, it really looks great. Yes, yeah.
And Deepak, if you can explain what is this in between the arm and the bucket?
Yes,
It's
Satya.
something new.
Yes, Satya, this is something new which is being asked or required by the market. This is a quick coupler. Actually, ease. It gives a ease use or swap from the operator cabin itself. So it's very easy.
So you mean to say that in about 30 seconds time,
It can be done even before 30 seconds. Yeah, it depends on
can we
operator
have a
skill.
demo of that?
Yeah, sure. I will request operator to do that. Yeah, please.
Guys, I think you got to start your stopwatches here. He said below 30 seconds is what he can do it. Wonderful, fabulous job done there. And ladies and gentlemen, we have a lot of technicians here.
So it's done, Satya. So
Wow.
this is the time, yeah.
This is such a useful tool when the customer has to operate these machines in a road project where they have to switch between the bucket and the rock breaker. Fantastic, Deepak.
Yeah,
And
thanks.
thanks for explaining us.
Yeah, thanks.
Now
Thanks, Satya.
I would like to invite Mr. Pratapan.
Morning, Satya.
Morning, Pratapan. So a great day. What do you feel about the machine?
The equipment is well. You have a comfortable cabin. The AC for the operating goes high. You have a feature of auto idle, which helps in the fuel saving, which is more fitting for the products and for the production of the projects where you have more fuel saving criteria. Right. That's about the cabin. So let's go about the.
So if you can explain a little more on the serviceability of the machine, it will be good for all of us.
Regarding the serviceability, we have a ground level access for the air filter replacement and easy electronic component accessibility, and we can also use the electronic ECU product where you can use the mattress for checking the diagnostic tools. It's easy accessible. Right.
Great. So let me ask the operator to turn around for us to have a look.
virtual operators available here for ease of operation of the service technician.
Thanks, Prathapan.
Thanks, Satya.
Syed, I think you should invite someone to operate the machine and then let us know how it actually feels.
So yes.
Thanks, Syed.
So Satya, so yes, we have to see somebody else to operate the machine here. So people, what do you think? Whom do you suggest? Whom do you? DK sir.
DK.
So who wants to see DK sir operate the machine? Just put your hands up. I can see everyone putting your hands up. Very well, very well. Make some noise if you want Mr. DK sir to get inside the cabin here. Very well. Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining us.
Switch back to the bucket.
Yes, you got to switch back to the bucket, and then DK sir is going to handle this.
DK.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, what do you think about this? How smoothly he operates and changes the bucket here. What do you think, sir? Let me ask somebody here. What do you think?
It's perfect, all right, very quick, really, and I hope with this customer will have a really great product review.
Yes, sir. Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you for sharing your points here. So let's move on to some other person. Anything else? Any other points would you like to add here?
Machine looks awesome. I think it was long pending, and now we have the complete range of machines which we can offer it to the customers. And I think the performance will be as awesome as the machine.
Awesome, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. People, join your hands together. That is all he got to say about the machine here. It's an awesome machine. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, now we have Mr. DK who's here. Come on, make some noise. Cheer him up. Let him hear us in the cabin there. Have anybody seen Mr. DK operate a machine before? If you have seen, put your hands up. I want to talk to you. Oh, you have seen him operate. Two people, that's it. Nobody else. This is the first time you're going to see. Okay, many of them have seen them. But yes, we are here live here. And everyone worldwide are going to witness Mr. DK operate the machine now. Well, that's really smooth and easy, right? So DK sir, how do you feel sitting in the cabin there? Would you like to share something with us? Few points there?
Sure. Let me reduce the volume here. Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes, loud and clear.
Okay. I think first and foremost, even though the door is open, I feel very cool inside. The temperature is very, very comfortable to operate. Very smooth hydraulics. Very easy to use the levers. It's no effort at all. For an operator who's going to sit in the cabin and operate for about 8 to 10 hours, that matters a lot. how comfortable he feels in operating. I think it's going to be a very productive machine. I can also see the reach is quite more than what I was imagining. You know, sitting in the cabin and I try to operate, almost touch the ground very quickly. That shows that, you know, it's going to be very, very useful in various different applications where this machine will go, whether it is irrigation, canal work, or you know, trench digging, building construction, you know, the foundation laying work, as well as, you know, road widening activities and all of that. I think it's going to be a runaway success. I am looking forward to see our market share zoom up with this product.
Wonderful, sir. Come on, people, join your hands together. And sir, do we have any more special features at the cabin? Because this cabin looks really different to us.
Oh, I think it's very comfortable. One thing I noticed is that the seat has a lot of adjustments. I think that will make any operator of any size, of any height, comfortably set the machine for his own needs. So I think that's a great thing. One other thing which is a very small detail but looks very comfortable is that, you know, in sites when operators are operating, they come in and go out, you carry in a lot of dust. The carpet here looks very easy to clean. And it looks like a car, you know, you have these carpets where you can easily clean the dust. The carpet here is very, very comfortable. I think the designers have thought very deeply about the operator and his environment, how comfortable he can be in designing this machine.
Yes, sir. Looking at the cabin, looks very comfortable, looks very luxurious like a car too.
Oh yeah. There is a music system here as well. So I think the operator is going to be really comfortable.
Okay, looks like the operator is going to have a...
Who is looking out for a 13-ton machine.
That's a very good news, sir. That's a very good news. Thank you so much, DK, sir. Thank you. So, everyone just witnessed Mr. DK here. Once again, before he leaves, give him a huge round of applause here. We don't know when are we going to see him again sitting in the cabin there and operating it. And ladies and gentlemen, now I'd like to call upon Mr. Vinayak. Where's Mr. Vinayak? Yes, let me take what are his quick reactions. Vinayak is the dealer principal of Encore Heavy Machinery. So yes, Vinayak sir, what do you have to say? Would you like to move on and check out the cabin, or would you like to share some points with us first?
As informed earlier, the machine looks awesome, and I'm sure that the performance will be much better than that. That's one thing.
Absolutely.
Message to the market is beware competition. Here we are coming. We are here to pick up market share, improve our market presence, and ensure that we sell a lot of these machines. I think it's very close to me because this has got Karnataka flag color also, red and yellow.
Wonderful, right? All right, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing your feedbacks here. And ladies and gentlemen, this was the most grand awaited launch of the year. And ladies and gentlemen, now I'd like to thank each and everyone for coming here, participating, witnessing this grand launch of this SDLG E6135 FI excavator. And ladies and gentlemen, please do maintain social distance. Please be safe, and thanks a lot for joining us. And ladies and gentlemen, 3 cheers for SDLG. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. SDLG.
SDLG.
3 cheers for
SDLG.
3 cheers for
SDLG.
I can't hear you scream SDLG louder. Come on. 1, 2, 3.
SDLG.
1, 2, 3. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. I thank each and everyone for coming down here, giving your time, giving your presence here. Thanks a lot once again. Thank you. Music. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to have a walkthrough of the machine, you can move forward.
In the